hyperlinking or mobile tagging or things like that. And it's a way of creating or generating a two-dimensional graphic that your phone can read and then access information that's encoded in here. The information encoded in here is just alphanumeric. What that means is that you can encode text messages, phone numbers, your business card information, URLs, emails, all those kind of things can get encoded in here. So I just wanted to show you guys how this works. The platform that has been really avid in developing technology for the QR code has been the Google's Android. We have a G1 here as part of the mobile library project. The people at Google actually have their own project based on QR codes specifically. It's called Zebra Crossing. And as a result of all their work that they've done, they've created their barcode scanner. What it'll do is it'll scan any one of these codes. And so I want to go ahead and show that. And I have 4 different kinds of codes here. All right. And let's see. It's just called the barcode scanner. It's a free download. So you open this up, you get a camera view, and then what it does is it goes and it finds the information encoded and automatically figures out what kind of information it is, whether it's a URL, an SMS text message, or a phone number, and then it'll bring this up and it says, do you want to open this up in a web browser? And I don't know if this is, yes, and there we go. There's Doug and Steve's project right there. So URLs are the most common way of doing this, but you can also, like I said, encode a business card. And someone can just get your business card, they can send it to themselves via email, or they can do a web search on the information in here. There's a URL encoded in here, so you can go and you can go to the web and visit the web page for the URL that's encoded, and some of the web items are right there. But there's also SMS and telephone numbers, and this thing, when it figures out what kind of code is in there, it'll redirect the phone immediately to the application that can handle that code, whether it's your phone or your SMS texting or whatever. Like I said, right now, it's the best apps for it are on the Google platform, but there are also readers for the iPhone. They're just not that great right now. At least the free ones aren't. So the paid ones.
Will that application is available for the iPhone?
Yes.
Yes.
Not this particular one. The barcode reader application that I used on here is specifically Google.
Yeah, but that's the Zebra Crossing one is also available open source, and they have it compiled for the iPhone.
Oh, did they have one for the iPhone? Because I didn't see it through the App Store. So I guess maybe if you go to Google, you can get it?
Well, actually, I downloaded it and compiled it on a test device.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
All
I
right.
think it's also there because I have gotten...
Do you have it?
Yeah, I
Can you
have
come up
it.
and show it?
It might be an older version.
I've got the one that's in, yeah, so which one are we looking at? The one I see in the App Store is called Barcode. It says it's based on the Apache Zebra Crossing project.
Yeah.
That should be free.
Yeah.
Should be.
I didn't pay for it. I only paid for one thing on here, so it might be free.
And he's hacked it. Does that take us
This is the one called Zebra.
Well, the one on here actually lets you, you can actually take the image and zoom in a little bit.
Oh, wow.
You actually choose it.
Oh, I see.
Let's say you-
It's not automatic capture.
Yeah, but I've had trouble with working some.
Yeah, it's not as painless on
What's the
other
name of the home
platforms.
site again? Zebra Crossing?
It's zxing. I think it's code.google.com/zxing. Try that. Or you can just search for them for the, yeah.
Jack,
So-
your camera under the phone, your phone under the camera.
Oh,
You
are
gotta
you
tap
not?
it first.
Oh, okay, sorry. So this one did find it and wants to ask if I want to open that URL.
Okay, so it works.
Yeah.
Let's see if this helps.
You only catch it, you use the phone, not the iPad.
Yeah, I did, I also used the focus on the lens there, so there.
And that.
Yeah.
So people are gonna put that, isn't it the same thing as what you put on your business card? You can put it in the back of it, and then they'll just scan your card.
You can do that. There's one on the handout.
Yeah.
So that's, if you try it, you'll get an instant email to me. So anyway, you know, this is a technology that's been around in Japan for a while. It was developed in Japan by Kaiwa. If you go to qrcode.kaiwa, Kaywa.com, they're the creators of QR codes, and you can generate your own QR codes from this website. They're the ones that I use to integrate with these graphics on here. So you might want to check that out. And you know, the kind of possible uses you might see are just tagging objects, physical objects or places on campus, for example. Go and tag, if there was a little QR code next to Edgar Allan Poe's room on the range, you could get a whole bunch of information, or go to the Special Collections website on it, or things like that. So there's a lot of possibilities.
Or the Encyclopedia Virginia website on the ground.
Yeah, we could tie that in.
What was the website? Where did you generate these?
From QR code dot Kaiwa, Kaywa.com. It should get you there. And there's other ones. Actually, Zebra Crossing has its own QR code generator as well. And that's all I wanted to do. I wanted these MobiBlast to be shorter, but you know, if there's interest, definitely ask questions.